What's up, guys? My name's Noah. I make music as Haterade, and today I'm going to show you guys a little trick on how to use reverb to add depth to your synth. So what I have right here is a pluck type synth. Here, I'll play the clip for you guys. So that's what it sounds like, but we're gonna use reverb. I got three different reverbs down here. I got Pro R, I got the Serum FX reverb, and the Ableton Convolution Pro reverb. And the reason why we're using three different reverbs is because we're gonna use the same technique across all three, and we'll see the different tones and effects that each reverb gives us. So first, we'll start with Pro R. Now, normally when you put a reverb on something, you're gonna probably make it sound like this, right? You know, give it that space, the kind of make it sound like it's in a big room somewhere. Well, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking the entire reverb signal and using that as the main sound. So we're gonna start and we're gonna turn the dry wet all the way up. Then I'm just gonna play the loop and pause intermittently to explain what I'm doing. So what we're doing here is we're going to turn the mix all the way up. So that's going to mean that we're only getting reverb signal. And then we're going to turn the stereo width up all the way. Then we're going to turn the space down to about here. I'm going to bump that decay up. So we're floating around maybe 0.5 seconds. And we're going to turn the distance all the way far right here. And we're going to turn the character to chorus. And then we're going to turn the brightness all the way up. And I'm keeping this this low pass cut right here because I don't want the super high frequencies in there. But so before, this is what our sound sounded like. And now. And we'll give output gain here. So you've probably heard this a lot too. People use this for trap drops and like on trap leads, but it works great on plucks. It turns them into like some almost strings. So we'll table the Pro R for now, and we'll jump to the Serum FX reverb. And we're gonna do similar technique. We're gonna turn the mix all the way up. For this one, we're gonna turn the size all the way down, and we're gonna turn the decay to probably about 1.5 seconds. And I'll bump that low cut up and turn the spin rate and spin depth all the way down. So now this is what we have. Mess with that decay too. You can hear that one has sort of it has an attack of its own on there. It's not really the original attack. It's not quite as smooth as the Pro R, but it's different. So I mean, the basic concept you want to remember is the dry wet and the decay in size and the low and high cut. These are these will apply to pretty much any reverb that you use. I mean, if it's any good reverb, at least. I know Valhalla, Vintage Verb, Valhalla Room, all of those have these same controls, and you can get this do the same technique and probably get some different results with different reverbs. So last we'll do the Convolution Reverb. Convolution is they use an impulse response. That's what the IR stands for. So they'll record a sound in a room and then and record the reverb of that sound and then process it and put it in here so we can use it on our synths. So turn that up. little more tricky. So we're paying attention to the seconds right here. And without. That one sounds, those two sound really cool together. They're just really airy. So that's essentially a way to add depth to your synths when you're working with reverb. These, you can get the Convolution Reverb Pro on the Ableton website. If you just go over here to packs, you can just go here. If you're using Ableton 10, you can just download it straight from here. If you have Ableton Live Suite, Serum FX will come with your Serum. Just make sure if you have it from Splice or the Serum website, just go and make sure to download the effects module. And the FabFilter Pro R comes in the FabFilter bundle. So that's about it, guys. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.